What do I need to do to motivate myself? To get that job, that person, to write that book, to build that business? What do I need to do to stop procrastinating, stop making excuses, and stop justifying? Who do I need to be to inspire people to like my product, to buy my idea, or to like me? The answer? Nothing. Everything you want, need, inspire to be is created by the definition that you gave it. Society wants you like this, but normality won't get you anywhere. The only thing you have to be to get anywhere is authentic. Without your truth, everything else is the same. Without your passion, it's just a product. Without your motivation, it's just a person. You make the meaning of what you do. The meaning you create is what will create success or failure. The only motivation you need is yourself and what you want to create. The only thing standing between you and the finishing line is the authenticity and your willingness to be vulnerable in a world designed to eat you. Step outside and create a meaningful life.